Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is a setup video for my Hobonichi Cousin 2021 and I'm going to be doing a few pages, but we'll start with the pockets first from our cover. So this cover is pretty old and I got it I think a year or two ago and it came from my mom, so I was keen on using it again for 2021. And here are my pockets ready. And now we're going to go ahead and decorate the front matter. I'm using a photo from BTS's mini album B. And I chose the red one because this is going to be like a red themed pages. So I'm just gluing the edges of the paper. The paper is kind of thin because it is Tomoe River paper. So the picture is just going to make it thicker, and structurally it's going to be better, at least for me. So here I'm just cutting off the edge that's hanging out so that it is cleaner, and then I'm gonna go ahead and put something on the left side of the page. And this is the photo that I have chosen. This is in fact a sticker, and this is from Mamamoo's mini album Travel that was released just a few months ago. And that is the page done. So now we're going to go ahead and decorate the calendar pages, and I'm using a few things here, and this is going to follow the theme that I was doing for my Hobonichi Weeks journal, and I'm going to link that video down below in case you missed it. And this is going to be like vintage botanical with a little bit of art. And here I'm just putting down some papers. So actually these are notepads and post-its. The black one is from 𝐌𝐤𝐏 and the craft one is from AliExpress. Now I'm also going to put down some of these dot stickers. So they are PET, so they're plastic. So they're especially see-through even though they are very dark. And then I'm also going to put down this sticky note, and I believe this is from Daiso. I also have a leftover photo from my Hobonichi Weeks journal setup, and this is once again from BTS. And then I'm putting down some of my AliExpress stickers. So these are just following the color theme that I am going for, which is kind of neutral brown, something that will match the craft paper that I've put down. And then to add a bit of color, I'm gonna go ahead and place these bigger PET plant or foliage stickers. And these are a little bit difficult to peel off from the backing, so just be patient. And then I'm just snipping off the excess. And sometimes, and I don't do this often, but for here I'm just using the excess that I snipped off as part of the decoration on the side. So I'm just moving it to another page, so I am using them so I don't throw them away very often. But I'm also going to go ahead and mark some dates using this brush pen from Typo. And it's one of my favorite brush pens. It does not bleed through the Tomoe River paper. And now for the yearly overview. Now a lot of people have questions about how to use these pages. You can use it however you'd like to, but this is just a good page to track what I'm doing for every few months. So this is half a year at a glance, and I'm using it like as a quarterly check-in, and you'll see that in a little bit. So at the bottom I'm just deepening the lines using my Stabilo pen. And then I'm going to write a header down, and it's going to be my quarterly goals and plans, so that every quarter I'm keeping track of what I am doing for my goals, which is mainly my PhD. And then this is the last page that we are going to do today. This is also one of the pages that people ask about a lot. It is the blank page at the beginning of every month of the daily section. So here I'm using it as a social media tracker. So I'm doing the exact same thing I would have done if I was on a Bujo. So if you haven't seen that, I'm going to link that down below as well. So I just wrote down the dates vertically. And then I'm going to highlight over the days or next to the dates that I will be posting a YouTube video so that I can keep track of that as well. So I'm planning future videos on here as well. And then over at the side, I'm going to write down a little section for goals of the month, as well as a little section for project. And that's the page done. And now we are going to do the last bit here, which is to decorate the back pockets. And I feel like this is my favorite of them all. I like this a little bit better than the front pockets for some reason. Well, it has a lot of BTS, so maybe that's why. I just put down this photo from the BTS BE album and one of their photo cards, and that is done. So this is as far as I will set up for today. I probably will do a little more later on, but this is just a recap of all of the things that we have done. So that little photo is folding funny, but it'll sort itself out. And the calendar pages, the yearly overview, which becomes my quarterly overview, as well as the beginning of the month for the dailies. And then the back pockets, my favorite. So I hope that you got something from this plan with me, our setup video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!